Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The version 2.13 of the MyLinuxWork files for Hyprland, the MyLinuxWork OS, is now available for you to download. And this is a big step for the overall project because the new version now includes the full Hyprland configuration based on Lua. The Lua is the new method to configure Hyprland. And the old legacy form with the .conf file has been removed completely from the project. And you see it here when you open the .files repository. You see that, for example, here the window definition has been converted completely to Lua. The key bindings are converted completely to Lua. And I must say it's a really interesting format because Lua is not only a way to configure, it's also a programming language. And you see it when I open the hyprland.lua that I can include functions directly into the configuration. So let's open here the functions, which is a new file. And you see that here is a function to activate the game mode, for example. Yeah. So when I execute and toggle the function from a bash script, and I do this from the sidebar, you see here game mode, and I toggle that, you see that the game mode will be enabled, and this will execute this function. It will remove the gaps from all windows, it disables blur and so on. And when I go back, it will be reactivated again because I reload the Hyprland config. And also here the load variant function for the configuration variations have been embedded directly into the configuration. And that makes it very comfortable and extendable from a configuration perspective. I've also added a script into the folder .config MyLinuxWork scripts, MyLinuxWork remove conf. When you update an already installed MyLinuxWork OS version, it will add the new Lua config on top, and because the Hyprland Lua exists, the system will take the Hyprland.lua, and you can clean up your system from old conf files by running that script, and this will remove all .conf files that are legacy now from your installation. Back up your Hyprland folder up front. When you open the changelog.md file of the .files, you see all changes implemented for the 2.13 version. And you see here that I have enabled hyprsysteminfo and hyprshutdown from the Hyprland ecosystem into the configuration. And these are the recommended way from Hyprland to show system information and to shut down the system. So let's see. I go to the welcome app and I click on system and system info. And you see in the background, and here is the window, the official Hyprland system info. If you want to see more details, you can click here on copy Hyprland system info. And you can open an editor and paste it in, and then you have all detailed information of your system. Hyprshutdown is connected now here to all functions in the shutdown panel. And this is the recommended way to shut down the system, yeah, because it will prevent apps from crashing or dying unexpectedly. Yeah, and it's very easy to implement. Just run hyprshutdown, and this is the command that I execute here on the script, and all possible parameters. Hyprshutdown will show you how you can implement it. It's a dry one. It only shows the UI. Let's give it a try. Hyprshutdown. Try run. And here is HyprShutdown. Yeah, and you see the list of applications that are open, and HyprShutdown will take care that all applications will be closed before shutting down the system. And this is a very clean method to shut down the system. Nice addition from a user to the Wallpaper app. You can open the Wallpaper app from the sidebar or with super key Control W. And you see here the current wallpapers chipped as default wallpapers from the installation. And when you click here on that settings wheel and show advanced options, you see that you can now set the wallpaper folder directly here in the wallpaper panel. And I will do this. I will switch now to my wallpaper repository. It's installed on Pictures, Wallpaper. And now you see, after confirming that change, that the full wallpaper repository will be loaded, and I can just switch to another wallpaper. So also here, very straightforward. And what you can also change now here is to replace the transition effect. Currently it's based on simple, and I replace it now with left. And now I can change the wallpaper by clicking here on a thumbnail. And you see that the transition comes from the left, but I can also take center. And you can always change the wallpaper with super key Shift W, and now the wallpaper will be changed with an animation starting from the center. Very nice addition. Thanks again to the whole My Linux Work OS community. It's so great what you provide to that installation with your pull requests and with your ideas coming from the YouTube channel or from issues in the GitHub repository. I've also added drop shadows to the Quickshell panel windows to make the overall look and feel more consistent. With super key Shift W, you see now here a drop shadow around the panel. The same on the calendar app and on the sidebar as well. So now it fits better to the overall user interface of My Linux Work OS. And now we are coming to something new. I want to try to reduce the complexity of the My Linux Work OS as good as possible. And there's a new developer who has created a new app. It's called HyprMod Plumen CSET. And yeah, he has developed a great settings app for Hyprland. And I have decided to archive the Hyprland settings app from my side, the My Linux for Work Hyprland settings app, and support from now on the HyprMod application. And the installation is very straightforward for you. It's not shipped automatically with the system because My Linux Work also has this settings app where you can tweak and change already a lot in the system, where you can also create variations. Everything is described in the My Linux Work OS documentation. But if you want to go a bit deeper and don't want to work in Lua files directly, you can install the HyprMod application. And you can do this by clicking here on Welcome, Settings, and Install HyprMod. Yes, I want to install it. It just takes a few seconds. And then HyprMod is installed. And you see in that moment when HyprMod is available on your system, a new button appears here on the sidebar. And then you can click on it and HyprMod is there. And it's automatically integrated into the hyprland.lua configuration. And then you can change a lot. Let's open some windows in the background. In the general, I can, for example, increase the inner gaps, the outer gaps. I can maximize the border size. I can reduce the border rounding power increase. So all the things that you already know from the My Linux Work Hyprland settings app are all available here on HyprMod. You can even create own animations. You can change your cursor settings, key bindings, yeah, can be checked here and changed. Keyboard layouts can be set here, gestures, monitor settings. So a lot is possible, and it's a really great application. And congrats to the developer. This is very, very nice. And if you have set up something, you can save it, then it will be restored next time, or you can just discard your changes and everything will switch back to the default of My Linux for Work OS. That's, in my opinion, a great extension to the overall system. Yeah, and that's it. These are the new core features on top to a lot of bug fixes in the background to My Linux Work 2.13. It's available on the My Linux for Work OS homepage for you to download from now on. And it's a new setup, it's a new system. So when you find an issue, when you find a problem with the system, please share it as an issue here on My Linux for Work OS, on My Linux for Work .files issue section, and help to improve the system even more. Thank you so much, and see you next time.